This lesson will discuss the Catch and Effort Report number 6, Unloading by Market Destination and Species. This report shows the monthly unloadings amounts for the main target species and other species combined by market destination. It will show the unloaded catch for all export markets, if you have more than one, and for other markets, which includes canneries and the local market. Before running this report, you need to be aware that it is for longline gear only. Before running this report, you need to be aware that the source of the data is unloadings data, so these should be collected and entered into Toughman. The coverage of the unloadings data may not be 100%. You should use the appropriate reconciliation reports to identify and resolve any data gaps before producing this report. Refer to lessons on how to locate gaps in the provision of unloadings data for further information. As this report is for longline vessels, it is important that you check all of the unloading catch is accounted for, and not just the exported fish. You also need to be aware that the report may not show the very final destination of the fish. The fish may be resold further on. So let's run our report. So we're in this report submenu, we've clicked on Catch Effort, and we've highlighted our report number 6, Unloadings by Market Destination and Species. The gear we're selecting for our example is longline, the company nationality is the Marshall Islands, the time period from year 2007 to 2008, and grouped by year and month. To export the information and use it for your own analyses, you would run and open in Excel. For our purposes, we'll simply run the report. We'll make the report a bit larger so it's easy to see. The report shows the metric tonnes unloaded by market and destination for each species of fish unloaded by month for the years selected. So here we have exported, the species, and broken down by month. And for other markets such as canneries and the local market, the same thing, the species and the breakdown by month. To get the second year, we simply click down here for page 2, and that gives us the same information for year 2008. This report is useful for calculating the market value of the catch. This can be helpful if you want to find out if the fishery is commercially viable or profitable. The total weight by species, which was sent to different fish markets each month, is shown. With this information, the final value of the fish can be calculated if required. The report can also highlight changes in the marketing of the fish, which may in turn draw your attention to any targeting practices by the vessels. That concludes this lesson.